方言，第二轮准备好了吗？
啊，准备好了。
好，开始吧。
好。
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn beginner Chinese with the series Poisoned Love. 恋爱吧食梦君 Episode 1. The link to the main video is given in the description.
你去哪儿啊？上厕所。
你去哪儿? Where are you going? 哪儿 means where. 哪里 also means where. So what's the difference? In north of China, 哪儿 is more common. But in south of China, 哪里 is more commonly used. 上厕所 going to the toilet. 厕所 means toilet. What does 上 mean in this context? 上 has many different meanings. Here it means go to, leave for. Another example. 他今天上北京 He's leaving for Beijing today.
你去哪儿啊？上厕所。
你认识吗？
认识，特别的熟。
哦，挺好的，挺好的。
特别的熟 very familiar. 特别 means extremely, especially. 熟 means familiar. The is used to connect an adverb to an adjective. For example, 非常的便宜 very cheap. Remember, most people confuse this the with 白手的 and write 非常的便宜, which is incorrect. 挺好的 so good. 挺 is a colloquial term which means very, quite. The is used at the end of the sentence for emphasis. Since 挺 means very and one function of the is for emphasizing, 挺 is often accompanied by the.
你认识吗？
认识，特别的熟。
哦，挺好的，挺好的。
我觉得唱得不错呀。
词不好。
我觉得唱得不错 I think he sings well. 唱 to sing. 不错 not bad, pretty good. The structure we've got is verb plus the plus adjective. This structure describes how a verb happens. For example, 唱得不错. This structure is called degree complement.
我觉得唱得不错呀。
词不好。
我们都已经绕了3圈了。
我们都已经绕了3圈了. We've been moving around for 3 rounds. 都 means already. 已经 also means already. 绕 to move around. 圈 round, circle. Now let's take a look at the structure of this sentence. We've got verb plus le plus duration plus le. This structure describes an action which has started in the past and has continued up until now. So the sentence above means we have moved around for 3 rounds and now we are moving around 2. Here's a question for you. How to say I've been walking for 10 minutes. Write down the correct answer in the comments section. Watch the video until the end and you'll find the answer.
我们都已经绕了3圈了。
Before we move on, if you like such videos, please like, subscribe and click on the bell icon.
方言，第二轮准备好了吗？
啊，准备好了。
好，开始吧。
好。
方言第二轮准备好了吗？方言 Are you ready for the second round? Let's break down this sentence. 方言, it's a proper name here. 第二, second. 轮, a measure word which means round, like rounds in a match. 准备好, to get ready. So the literal translation is 方言, the second round, are you ready? Where does the meaning for come from? Chinese language doesn't make use of prepositions as much as English does. Most of the times, the preposition for is implied from the context.
方言，第二轮准备好了吗？
准备好了。
好，开始吧。
好，是不是？
这个有道理啊。
这个有道理. This is reasonable. 道理 means reason. It's a noun. 有道理 reasonable. Something which has reason. It's an adjective. This is a common structure in Chinese language. Adding 有 to some nouns make them into adjectives. Let's take a look at another example. 意思 means interest, fun. It's a noun. 有意思 means something which has interest, which has fun. It means interesting.
是不是？
这个有道理啊。
是不是最近压力太大了？
压力 means pressure. 最近 recently, these days. 压力太大了 means the pressure is too much. 最近压力太大了 the pressure is too much these days. If we add ma at the end of the sentence, 最近压力太大了吗? It would mean, is the pressure too much these days? Ma is used for making yes-no questions. Of course, there are some other ways for making yes-no questions. Adding 是不是 is one of them. 是不是最近压力太大了? Is it that the pressure is too much these days?
是不是最近压力太大了？
Now let's get back to the question of the video. How to say, I've been walking for 10 minutes. 我走了10分钟了。Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.